In this tutorial, we're gonna learn about how to get DeepSeek version 4 Flash API 30. To do this, come to b.ai, and try b.ai, and we should log in from here. I have already logged in. After getting logged in, you can see DeepSeek version 4 Flash limited time free. It's for limited time. Go to API, and in API you can see various models here. Look, DeepSeek will input 0, output 0. That is $0 unit. So we need this model. So create an API key, name, anything. Now you need to copy this and put somewhere. Now you need to use this API. You can use from C URL this, from Python this, from Node.js this. Uh, I have already I have used this model to test something. Look, I have put the API key here, and whatever I copied from this, and put a question: how many continents are there in the? Let's check if it works or not. I'm using VS Code. You can use anything. Look, the answer is there. 7 continents. So this model is working. You can use this model